see is like this. It's related with bonus. A business company distributed bonus to its 24 employees from the net profit of 16 lakh 48,000. If every employee received 8240, what was the bonus percent? So all of you, this question I have already told you, it's related with bonus. So first you need, okay, so first while solving this question, you need to know this thing. Formula should come inside your mind. Bonus, this kind of image should be formed inside your mind. Bonus equals to bonus percent of NP. And after knowing this, now you will go back to the question and you will write whatever information provided to you given. So question has provided you so many extra information, like, okay, definitely net profit clearly they have given. See, net profit is 16 lakh 48,000. So now bonus percent, definitely bonus percent is the last thing to be found. So I'm writing it as question mark. So except this, now you have to know this. Is bonus thing available or not? To find bonus percent, definitely these two things, NP and bonus should be available. But NP is directly given. But you can see if I observe the question, bonus is directly not given. So, but you have to get your logic. Bonus, how to get the bonus? Bonus is given only for, you can see if I go back to the question, if every employee, so every means, so this is the bonus amount definitely, but this bonus is not enough to solve our question. Why? My question is why? So it is because this bonus is only for one employee, but here we are going to calculate the total bonus for 24 employees. We need the entire bonus amount, because as a company you have to think as an entire, not as an individual. So what is the bonus amount? So bonus amount is indirectly given, you need to understand. So bonus in this question is um, bonus per head into, okay, I'm writing bonus per head. Bonus per head means what here? So I'm using some technical language here. Number of employees. This is not formula, okay, this is just I am making you understand. Bonus per head means the bonus that one individual is getting. Okay, 8240 into 24 is it is 82, okay, I'm also checking. 8240 into 24 is 197760. So this is the bonus amount. Now no, you don't have to think so much, you just use the formula to find bonus percent. Now we know bonus is equals to bonus percent of net profit 197760 is equals to bonus percent. I'm writing as it is, NP 1648000. Okay, how to reduce this percentage sign? By dividing it with B by 100. So if you do like this and into 1648000. Okay, so all of you solve this. Okay, and when you solve this, your answer will come like this. Bonus percent equals to 12%.